Hi everybody, I'm Neil Suspansky with thetechnicaltraders.com, and today I'm going to present options trading tips. Okay, so today's tip that I'm going to go over, I call it the fast cash tip. So I'm going to show you how you can make a 10% return in less than 4 hours. Yep, that's right, 4 hours, 10% return, trading options. This is a very basic and simple strategy that anybody can do, but as always, timing is very important. It takes 5 minutes to execute, it's very easy to do, and who wouldn't like a little bit of extra cash before the holidays? So I'm going to go through this awesome trade. It's easy to do. You basically put the trade on, come back 4 hours later, collect your 10%. So let's look at the timeline review. So basically, this is a timeline of today, which is May 28th, 2021, the last trading day before Memorial Day on Monday. Markets are closed. I saw this opportunity, and I'll curtail it here in a minute, but there was a great opportunity to come in here and put on this option spread that we have for $1.03 credit that we were selling, net credit. At the current time, it was 11:15 a.m. The price of SPY was $420.77. Then, approximately 2 hours later, we could have taken profit here for as a $5 profit. The current price of SPY was trading at $420.66. But again, that was 2 hours. We made roughly 5 cents. Then, and that was at 1:24 p.m. At 3:18 p.m. today, the stock was trading at $420.65. Notice 1 penny difference here. And then from here, it's only 11 cents. Our option spread had decayed a full 10 cents. So we had roughly a 10% profit in 4 hours, people. It took us 4 hours to do this trade. So I put it on at 11:15 right here, and then I just let it go, and then here I took it off for almost a 10% profit. So what was the trade? So here was the trade. The trade was actually, this is the actual alert. It was an iron condor, and you can see we actually had, it was a pretty wide spread. Well, not too wide, but we had right there, we were buying the 427, selling the 424, and then that's on the call side. On the put side, we were buying the 413, selling the 417. So what did this give us? We had a net credit of $1.03. Look at these levels. These levels are very important. When I say these levels, I mean our liabilities, what we're selling. So the 417, and then also the 424 call and put. Because on the next screen, I'm going to show you where those were and why we did this trade. Okay, so let's go to the chart. So if you notice, we had 423 on the upside, right? And we had 417 on the downside. This, my friends, is the entire trading day for SPY. You can see clearly the range was 421.25. Of course, we had a little tick at the end there, but roughly 420. So about $1.25 the entire day. That was the entire range of this stock, this ETF. So historically speaking, before any holiday, there's always, what do we always see? We see low volume. We don't see a lot of movement. We see a lot of chop. Some people are trading. Some people are on vacation. That's why we have lower volume. So there's not a lot of movement in the markets, either up or down, generally speaking. So historically, we take advantage of this. When we see this range, this very tight range here, all we do is we just set up our strikes outside that range, and then we just sit there. This is our entry point. This blue line is our entry point. We just sit there and wait, and then we get out here. And you can see in that entire time, we never breached the 421 or the 420. We came close here, but we didn't. We never breached it. Regardless of that, we had a couple points buffer because we were looking at our strike was way up here and our strike was way down here. So we had some buffer area in case it did challenge us, but for the most part it never challenged us. And the reason why it never did is because days, historically speaking, days before holidays are always very choppy, and this is one way you can take advantage of it by setting up a spread and trading options. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm Neil Suspansky for thetechnicaltraders.com. If you are interested in this type of trading, we have tons of proprietary strategies that you will only find at the options trading signal service at thetechnicaltraders.com. We send out daily trade alerts with trades just like these. You will only find them at thetechnicaltraders.com. Come check us out. If you're new to options, you're an experienced options trader, come check us out. I'm Neil Suspansky. Would love to see you. Have a good holiday. Thank you all.